So it's 7:10 in the morning. I've been up since 5. These tree roots in the rain are freaking dangerous. And I'm hiking. I can see the sun is rising, but I'm in a gap. So it will be a while before I actually see the sun. But I wanted to film some of this. And I'm talking to make noise in case there are bears. I am having a great time. I have my knife at my hip. Yep. Don't really know how much good I'll be with it. Caca! So, yeah, this is my morning. I'm going to play a podcast kind of loud. I hope there's no stealth campers nearby. Oh, Jesus. So many tree roots. And it's like foggy. See the sunrise? Anyway, great time. Good morning. It's like 7:15 a.m. and I've got to cross this river with a log over the top. That's part of the trail. Anyway, the sun is coming up and it's very foggy, as you can see, but here, I'll try to... It's so pretty out here. Yeah, I don't know if you're able to see anything. I'm absolutely in love, but I'm talking right now because I don't know if there's bears nearby. Oh my God. I'm gonna slip on that log. Do you see that log? I gotta shimmy over it. I made it across. And that is the trail. Oh my God. I still can't believe I'm doing this. I see bears everywhere, by the way. Every little shadow. It's like 7:30 in the morning. I've been up since 5. I think I got 4 hours of sleep, finally. Anyway, I'm in an older pine sort of forest. And there was something big up there that I heard earlier. And I had to bash my trekking poles together and hope to scare whatever it is away. Every dark shadow I see is a bear. And there's a lot down trees. They're all down trees, but my brain is not convinced they're down trees. But it is so pretty and it smells so amazing. Like, it's raining, and a lot of people would be negative about that. I fucking love it. Like, I got my rain jacket. The only thing I would complain about right now is my rain jacket doesn't have pockets, and I just took off my headlamp because I started walking in the dark. I swear to God, there's a bear over there. Anyway, look at that. Like, look how the morning light comes through. Like, ooh, it's just here all the time. And I only get to do 80 miles of it because my damn job won't give me the 5 or so months I need off to hike this whole damn thing. My goodness. I'm talking right now, like, in hopes to scare the bear away. I'll stop filming in a minute. It is so fucking pretty out here. And it smells of, like, rhododendron and pine and rain and just... Get out in the woods, man. Play in the rain.